So here I am with my supplies that I'm going to use to make this Suet Bird Feeds for the winter. So I'm going to start by putting in about 1/4 of a cup, just enough, 1/8 of a cup in the bottom of each one of these, just enough to fill the bottom up with yummy bird seed. That looks about right too. And then I'll shift that around. And I'm going to try and put these in towards the top. I don't expect them to stay there the whole time I'm using them. I know I'm going to have to come in after the fact and adjust them. But for now, I'm try to do 3. Now, all the reason those are there is so that when I have something that's going to make it easy for me to throw to string it, I'll be able to throw the string through them after the fact. So let's hope they stay there. If not, I'll just adjust them. So now I'm going to take and I'm going to spoon in my suet. Now the thing with the suet is I bought it from the dollar store. It was $1 a package. And I melted it on low for about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, I guess, something like that. And then the reason being is it's fairly soft to begin with. I considered just packing it. And then I changed my mind because I figured if I cooked it, or melted it, I guess I should say, it would do a better job of packing in there solid. So when I fill these up, I want them to be a little bit below the top because I'm going to put in some more bird seed. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just use up, this was 1 pack of the suet, and I think I got 4 in total, and I'll use them all up for my birds. But I'll show you what I made with 1 pack. And then at the end, you can see how they all turn out, okay? So there is 3. And now I'm just going to take in each of them and cover with more bird seed, and I'm going to make sure there's lots there. Press it down, make sure my little hole comes out. I'm not sure how much of it will actually stay punctured inside of the hot, warm suet, but we will find out. If you look, here's my straw or hole holder. I'm going to do the same on this one. I'll fill it right up here. We'll do that one while I'm at it. I don't know how much I'm putting in there, maybe 1/8 of a cup in each one, just a couple tablespoons. Okay, now I'm going to push them down. Make sure my straw is kind of in the middle. There it is. Now I'm going to stop the video and I'll come back once I get the next batch of suet warmed up. So I've taken my little hearts out of their forms, and it was really easy to do. It's just basically rubber, you rip it off. And now I'm going to string them. So to string them, the easiest way, I always have I invest in a very large-eyed needle. And I'm going to show you, hopefully you can see how big that is. And I use it for everything from stringing beads to twine to ribbon to anything. You put that through. I'm going to make one end shorter than the other. And I'm going to pop it through my heart. Now, if you happen to hit a seed, it can be harder to pull through. But then you just push it out, keep going. It will work. It'll pull the seed off the other side because if you notice, we had the hole in here from the straw, right? So I'll do that. That's the first one. So easy that is. Put that aside, it's ready for the tree. Now here's the second one, same thing. I gotta get a piece of twine and make the edge flatten the edge as much as I can and put it in my thread my very large size needle. Now I'm gonna do, the first time I did it, it was too funny. I was thinking of, I tried to put the thread in first and then cut it. Didn't work. Anyway, so now you take and you push this through here again. Well, that one was super easy. Pull it through. Now you will find that the suet is really greasy. It's kind of like, I don't know, peanut butter or butter, lard, anything like that. It's very greasy. You pull this out. You make sure one side stays on here. I'll just pull it out, take the thread off, and it's done. One thing to note that I noticed when I did mine is, remember before I put the seed on the bottom, filled it with the suet, it basically disappears on the side, which is kind of nice. See how pretty that is? It's really kind of nice. And then on the other side, you got just that little, you get more of the seeds and you got just a little straw piece in there, okay? Now I'm gonna go and I'll put them out on the trees. I'll just wrap them around a branch and I'm gonna have a pretty bow on top. Okay, hope you like it. Bye.